Okay, these two front rims, they are really just, I just need to replace them.
Perfect.
And I think I need to replace this tire. Yep, I need to replace both of these rims in the front. Because this one is warped and that other one is just so abused. Like, damn, it's ridiculous. All right, the next prep is alcohol. There's plenty of alcohol. Make sure you don't have any grease in the area that these blades are gonna go. That shit doing it. I guess this shit stick on here like glue. Rims are really in bad shape. I should have made CarMax fix these before I bought it. Alright, so we're going to put some alcohol on the rest of these and we'll call it good. What we got here? Shoes out the way. Alright, now we're gonna fix my highly messed up rims with these ring blades. I'm gonna get to see if I'm winning or losing. Because if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to buy the two front and I'll get the two back refurbed. This is just, you know, something to try. I don't think there's no help for my rims, but something to try. Clean surface with rubber and alcohol product used in kit to ensure best possible adhesive bond, which I have done. Now I wonder if I'm supposed to get 4 of these. I'm gonna be pissed if this doesn't cover all 4 tires. Because, you know, it really wasn't clear. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Adhesive. And they give you some alcohol. Surface cleaner shot. You know what? I'm not trying to exercise right now. Let me pull this thing off. All right. No instructions, huh? Wash wheels with dish soap and water. And auto wheel with rubber and alcohol. Yep. Shop towel, product using wipes and kit. And you're removing wipes. Dry the wheels to the shop towel. The tire bead and the wheel lip. Oh, I need to focus on that a little bit more. I need to do a little bit more wiping because I didn't do the inner towel. Let's go back. All right, so this is already cut out. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. It's not as thick as I thought it would be. That's not even close to what I thought it was gonna be. Not even close. That's not hardly covering shit. Seriously. This is not, I don't even know if I want to put this on here. That's probably a waste of $79. Yeah, these rims are too far gone for this. No, this is some bullshit. Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. I mean, it covers up some of it, but I don't know how much of this shit is gonna last. So I think if you're using this to like to protect your rims, that's okay. But if you're using this to cover up some shit, not so much. That's not yeah, I don't want this shit on my car. I'm gonna go with a not a fail.
Nobody's gonna hurt you if you're in the back.
Cut it a little bit short. But to be honest with you, I'm not gonna put this on the rest of these tires. Yeah, yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't consider this a success. And maybe if it was a little more thicker. And if you're trying to protect your rims, yeah. If you're trying to cover up the shit, that's not what this is for. So, and if you're trying to get like a highlight color, like if you was trying to do, I don't know, I guess you want to do some red or blue or something, just to highlight, yeah. But I bought it to cover. That's not working for me. Yeah, that's not working at all for me. So my next step is pay the $100-something a rim and get the rim redone. Cause that's, I don't, nah. I mean, like, it's okay, but nah, I don't want to go with that. We'll have to try another route. All right, so what do I think of the rim saver kits? For my rims, that's a no. It just looked like you just put some cheesy shit on your rims. I mean, that don't work for me. That doesn't work for me. So I'm not gonna even put them on the rest of the rim. And that's, you know, like I said, those rims are so far damaged that these weren't gonna help that. But I remember saying that once I got a Corvette, I would use this on those rims. And no, I don't think I would. They do the job though. They would definitely protect your rims around the edges. So if that's what you're looking for, yeah, they're great for that. But as far as putting them on and installing them, that was easy breezy. I did cut one a little short, but you know, you won't notice that. But again, I'm not leaving them on there. These three, it was an experiment. It didn't fail, and it wasn't necessarily successful, but I would recommend this if you're trying to protect your rims. That'll work. If you're trying to cover up your rims like I'm trying to do, yeah, no, that's not what those are for. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace.